So good morning all.
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So in the last question, actually, I explained just by observation. So now let us do the solution. This we can write integral 1 upon the secant square x plus tan square x. We can write 1 plus 2 tan square x. Multiplied with 4 secant square x into tan x dx. Now this 4 secant square x tan x is the derivative of 2 tan square x. Because tan square x derivative is 2 tan x into secant square x. 2 into 2, 4. 4 tan x secant square x dx. F dash x by f of x. So this is log mod 1 plus 2 sine square x. Now, if you compare with log of mod 1 plus f of x plus c, this f of x must be equal to 2 tan square x. $55.
Sir, one show previous page, sir.
This already yesterday I have done. See, this is equal to
Okay, sir.
1 plus 2 tan square x. Derivative is this one. Integral 1 upon tan x tan 60 degrees minus x tan 60 degrees plus x dx. First option 1 by third of log mod of sine 3x plus c. Second 3 times log of sine 3x plus c. Third one 1 by 2 times log of hello sine 3x plus c. Fourth one 1/3 of log mod cos 3x plus c. See, this is from trigonometry, multiple and submultiple chapter. We have the formula tan a tan of 60 degrees minus a tan of 60 degrees plus a. This is tan 3a. This is a formula. So if it's tan of a minus b into tan of a plus b formula, if you expand, you will be getting 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a, whose value is equal to tan 3a. So now this can be written integral of 1 upon tan 3x dx. This is integral of cot 3x. So we have the formula for integral cot x dx. Integral cot x dx is very simple. Cos x by sin x you can write f dash x by f of x. So log f of x. Here log mod sin x plus c. So using this concept, we can write this is log mod sin 3x. But 3x differentiation is 3. So 1 upon 3 right now. Let's see. Fifty-sixth. Integral sin 2x upon, so 1 plus sin x to the power of 4 dx. First option, tan inverse of sin square x plus constant of integration. Second, negative tan inverse of sin square x plus c. Third, so unmute yourself. Tan inverse of cos square x plus c. Fourth one is negative tan inverse of cos square x plus c. That means option third, option fourth will be eliminated, either 1 or 2. That means here inner function is sin square x. So this sin x to the power of 4 we need to write as sin square x. Say t is equal to sin square x so that you will get the answer. That is the idea. See, very good, very good. Akshara. This sin x to the power of 4 we can write sin square x whole square. So let us say t is equal to sin square x dt by dx. Sin square x differentiation is 2 sin x and sin x differentiation cos 2x. 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. So dt equals to sin 2x dx. Accordingly, we need to change this problem now. Solution. This can be written integral 1 upon 1 plus sin square x whole square into sin 2x dx. See, instead of sin 2x dx, you can write dt. Instead of sin square x, you can write this t. Now this becomes integral 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. It's a formula. Tan inverse. So this is tan inverse t. T stands for sin square x. Tan inverse of sin square x plus constant of integration. 57. Integral 1 upon under root of 2 plus 3x square dx. So on 21st onwards, we have the schools, I think so. Yes or no? 1 upon root 3 sine h inverse of root 3x upon root 2 plus c. Second one. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So 21st onwards, we have the school. So I need to confirm. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you do one thing? Shall we start our class by 6 o'clock? Hmm?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Why? Actually, I ask you one question. When did you actually wake up today? Frankly say, all of you.
6 o'clock, sir.
Oh God. Oh God. Right, right. Right, no doubt. Okay, we'll see later. Don't worry. Revati Arjun Krishna. Right, I shall move to the next question now. Welcome, welcome. Right. So now this problem should be done using standard formulae we have. So one of the standard formulae that we shall discuss now here also. Don't worry. Very good, very good, very good. See, this is one of the standard formulae. 1 upon under root of a square plus x square dx. We have cos h in, sorry, 1 minute, let me write. Sin h inverse. Sin h inverse x by a plus c. Right. So that means now this can be written like this. Integral 1 upon under root of 2 can be written perfect as a square, root 2 square, plus 3x square can be written root 3x whole square dx. For a while, just substitute, let us imagine it is in the form of 1 upon root of a square plus x square only. So then we can write sin h inverse of, in the place of x we have root 3x, in the place of a we have root 2. But it is not in the form of x square, but we have root 3x whole square. Root 3x differentiation. What is the root 3x differentiation? 3. So we need to divide by root 3. So 1 upon root 3 right now. Plus c. Yes, first option is the right option. So I received few of the responses also. Correct you are. Right. $58. integral 3 power x upon root over 9x minus 1 dx. This is equal to first option 1 by log 3 log mod of 3 power x plus root of 9 power x minus 1 plus constant of integration. Second, 1 upon log 3 log of mod 3 power x minus root of 9 power x minus 1. Let's see. Third option, 1 upon log 9 log of mod 3 power x minus root of 9 power x minus 1 plus c. And fourth one, 1 upon log 9 times log of mod 9 power x plus root of 9 power x minus 1 plus c. See, just our plan is 9 power x can be written like this. 3 square whole power x. Or this can be rewritten 3 power x whole square. Both are same. 3 power 2x, this also 3 power 2x. 3 power x whole square. So let us say this 3 power x is equal to t. T is equal to 3 power x. dt by dx equals to 3 power x derivative is 3 power x log 3. So dt becomes 3 power x log 3 dx. So here we have one.
Sir, one show previous page, sir. Okay, sir.
What are you doing? Are you taking the screenshot?
No, sir.
Checking.
Yes, sir.
So now here solution. This I equals we can write, but we need 3 power x multiplied by log 3. So multiply and divide by log 3. This we can write 1 upon log 3 integral of 1 upon under root of this 9 power x we can write 3 power x whole square minus 1 into 3 power x log 3 dx. Now this is replaced by dt, 3 power x replaced by t. So this becomes 1 upon log 3 integral 1 upon under root of t square minus 1 dt. It's a formula. Integral under root of x square minus 1 is actually the formula is cos h inverse x. 1 minute. 1 minute. See, we have this formula. Cos h inverse x or log mod x plus under root of x square minus 1 plus c. Both ways we can write. So actually our options are in terms of log. So let us write this is equal to 1 upon log 3 log mod t plus root of t square minus 1. T stands for 3 power x. T square is, this is t square, 9 power x. So this we can write 1 upon log 3 log of mod 3 power x is root of 9 power x minus 1 plus constant of integration.
Option 1.
Yes. Decide, Nana, your timings till the end of the session. I'll make a plan accordingly. Right. 58. 59. Integral 1 upon 9 minus x square dx. First option 1 upon 6 log of mod 3 minus x upon 3 plus x plus c. Second 1 upon 3 log mod 3 plus x upon 3 minus x plus c. Third one 1 upon 6 log mod 3 plus x upon 3 minus x plus c. Fourth option is 1 upon 3 log mod 3 minus x by 3 plus x plus constant of integration. What is the answer? See, we have the formula integral 1 upon a square minus x square dx. This is 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x, because a square minus x square factors are a plus x into a minus x. A plus x by a minus x, write down. Now you expect answer. What will be the answer? Here actually the two options will be eliminated. First option and fourth option. Either second or third. Yes.
Second.
Yes, obviously second. Because not a second, third only. 3 into 2, 6 it becomes. Not 3. 1 by 2a. A is a square is equal to 9, a is 3. So 1 by 6. Now you can
Yes,
check
sir.
solution. I equals to integral of 1 upon 3 square minus x square dx. Now this 3 square minus x square is in the form of a square minus x square. By comparison, a is 3. So 1 by 2 times 3 log mod of 3 plus x upon 3 minus x. 1 by 6 times log of mod 3 plus x by 3 minus x plus constant of integration. Ayya baboy. Ha.